Is it a goal? Is it a goal? No. Am I gonna have to come in and save the fucking day here?
No.
Nice one. Da, da. Da, 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 da.
Super ever.
Oh shit, I was supposed to have been in goals for a second. I just saw you fly across something. I'm in goal.
Yeah. I touched the ball. I touched it. Okay, it's going away from me now.
Yeah, car ball. Oh, fuck that up.
That's alright.
Oh my goodness.
They missed it anyway.
Yeah.
Thank everything. Oh, Jesus Christ, Aaron. That looks
Where
like
do you get these skills?
hard work. There we go. It's coming back at you, Aaron. Score.
Oh, fuck.
What the fuck? I couldn't have set that up better for you. Oh.
When you said it's coming back at you, he was next to you.
Nice one.
I need it to be a bit more difficult, you see. I work better squeezing through gaps.
That's what she said.
Giggity.
Brown chicken, brown cow.
Brown chicky brown cow.
Brown chicken, brown cow.
I just...
T-shirts.
Stop it!
Who's supposed to be in goals?
Go on, go on. Okay then. Oh, poo.
Out. Cunt.
It's out.
Of the park. Through the shield.
Killing innocent bystanders.
As it is a large explosive.
Yeah, that does get me. It actually, it must be so incredibly expensive replacing these balls every game.
No, you don't, you bastard.
Nice one.
Yeah. Wait, no. Yeah.
I
should-
said goal.
You should get an assist point for yourself.
Yeah.
Young
Concentrate.
guy
Doesn't
doesn't
check.
seem to get the idea of this.
Oh, that's it. This is it. It's in.
Attack.
What do you mean? This is good.
I was sat there, you saw me.
I sort of saw you.
There you go, take it up, for Christ's sake. This little bastard was spouting me about, so I end up scoring. Yeah, you were doing such a good job. Young guy something.
The one who's hanging out in the goal.
So I just walked it in round him.
I tried. to
Slowly. Look
Oh,
at
I
this,
should
watch this. I creep it in as slow as I can and it still doesn't work.
I saw how that was playing out, so I didn't even bother trying to go up there. I was like, this is going to be awesome.
Oh, I kicked my table.
Go!
All I saw was a car explode at the opposite end of the opposite end of the pitch. Oh. No. Why did I call you diary?
Finally, I got centre ball. Because
Meh.
it's my username.
Meh.
I'm actually going to call it Effa, Diary, or Kurt. I'll respond to either. Or all.
Ball ball.
Either or all.
Aaron comes out of nowhere.
Comes to save the day.
Seriously?
You didn't do anything.
That's because you knocked it up. I was literally have had to jump.
You didn't touch it. Pucker.
Pucker?
Pucker.
Look out, Aaron! Oh. I just went ahead and hit their cars. I didn't even go for the
Yeah,
ball.
that's what I did. That's exactly what I did. Mm.
Shaman. Yes, it was a fluke. Sure.
We haven't got anyone in goal.
Not important. Not important.
Kind of important.
Not important. That's why. Still not important. Kind of important now. Okay.
Not important. To the roof.
Whoa.
People stop doing that, I can't do it.
Yeah, that's what I keep thinking. I was like, please, it's unfair. Can you not demonstrate any skill, please? Keep going, never give up.
Jed.
Yes! No.
Yes.
Yes.
No. Yes. No.
Wow, I got loads of points there. Why did I get so many points?
Got 100 points.
I'm now a veteran.
I didn't do anything. Later.
Or I'm waving my tail at you. If you can see that.
Good goalkeeping tact.
Can someone do something a bit more aggressive? Like that. Well done, Aaron.
One assist.
Boom. Easy. It's an issue! It's
Nice
an issue!
open goal.
Fuck. It's because I was in reverse. Look at me come. Whee!
Hurt!
Not good.
Okay.
I got shunted.
Yes, by me. And that's nearly a goal.
That probably is.
No!
Right, we've had enough pissing about. Let's win this fucker.
Is that the motivational speech?
Pretty much.
Yeah.
It's about as good as it's gonna get.
It's over my head. Good boy.
Ouch.
That's the guy that kept killing me.
Oh no, that's not gonna go in, is it? Well,
Not now.
Yay!
does nobody want to play with us?
Nope. Oh. I was enjoying that. Just so you don't reverse.
I'm just I'm waving you again.
You got to shake that booty.
Hi. Oh, just.
I
Where was
didn't
the fucking goalie? Where was he? Fucking nowhere. He was sat there fucking picking his nose going, oh what?
Honestly, I
Look
just
at it.
didn't expect him to do a rocket jump.
It was quite an unexpected maneuver. Time to shine. Never mind.
Or not.
Didn't want to win anyway.
That's not what games are about.
Yeah, you're in trouble.
No!
Fuck me.
Oi. 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 Uh-oh.
And that's a goal.
I'm fine.
I tried.
You jump backwards into the goal.
I don't understand the flying controls.
Yeah, watch this, you fly backwards into the goal. So you were behind the line.
Shit. That's a goal. Well, it would have been, but I blew the fucker up.
That's what I was hoping to do, but
That's a goal. I don't want to play them again.
Me.
Uh-oh.
Enchant.
You what?
He shines like a star. I like that.
Hi, what are you doing
The
here?
goal was you weren't in it. I'm on my roof.
It's not in.
That's what she said.
Oh, that's a shame.
Yep. That's how Cora was conceived. She said that as well.
Redemption.
Well, get it out.
That's what
That's
she
what she
said.
said.
No! Oh.
No, it won't.
Oh. Shit
Get
myself.
off your nose.
I had no idea what I was doing.
He literally came just to
Hit you.
So feel free to kill Cooper if you want.
Well, I'll score a goal instead. How's that?
I'd rather you kill Cooper.
Boink.
And just in case,
Eek. I had to expound there. That's it. That's a goal. Where are you going, Kurt?
That's what I do every time someone scores a goal. I just jump and rocket somewhere.
It's a celebration.
Yeah, that's what I do.
Okay, Kurt. You're up. You ready? Score. Oh, unlucky.
Yeah.
Fantastic effort.
Sabotia!
Go on, go on. There you go. Nice. He's like, oh, bing, 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 bing. There you go.
Hi guys! Thanks for holding my ball. Not touching it.
That's a goal.
no. Oh, yeah.
Poop. Sploosh.
Well.
You don't got it.
Do it. Do it. Just do it.
Don't let your dreams be dreams.
Bloodlust cartoon.
I don't even know if I've hit the ball yet.
As long as you have thought about it, that's the most important thing. Fuck you. Oh my god, is that in? Is that in? That's in.
So this is the internet. We're supposed to complain about people we don't know.
Maybe I'm just too passive for the internet.
I don't think you are. I've played with you a long time. I know you're not. I'm helping.
I know.
I'm not touching that.
I'm not touching that.
That's how I helped.
By not touching it.
Again.
The worst thing I could do right now is touch the ball.
It would have been. The angle that I would have taken it at would have...
That's what
put it
she
in
said.
again. Apparently. Tag.
Yeah?
Just making sure you're paying attention.
Okay. Uh-oh.
Just gotta hit it for me. What?
Uh-oh, uh-oh.
Hit the floor. There we go.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
I just got an achievement called All Fours. Come with me.
And you will see.
And when does that happen? You changed your tires.
Yeah.
TOMAHAWK skulls on mine. He matches my parrot. I literally only just noticed. Nice umbrella. Very random flag you have.
Thank you.
What is it?
Flag. Shaped flag.
It doesn't represent anything in particular.
Not really.
Sneaky beaky live at Wild Boys. And he's our goalie currently. He won't be in a minute. Yeah, pizza chip.
I don't got it.
Oh no.
I got bloated up.
Watch out for Bison.
Marf.
I saved.
That was just an incredible shitstorm, and thankfully we didn't lose.
Did you see my save?
I didn't see anything, I just saw a shitstorm. Fuck! I tried. I tried so hard.
And got so far.
But in the end...
I wanted to do a bicycle hit, but my thing did a corkscrew instead.
Snort? Wow, that was a fucking... Shit. This is heading straight for the goal. Never mind. You'll see exactly what happened here.
Did you try a rocket jump?
Yeah. I didn't have enough boost to make it though.
Oh, you just killed someone.
Yeah, I'm literally just ramming them.
Yeah.
I'm concentrating literally on just hitting them. I've no interest in the ball right now.
Goal.
I might have hit that. Nighttime match. How very moody.
Down my own here. Good boy.
Boink. that was
You
an
actually hit it.
epic attempt at a save there.
You actually hit it as well.
Yeah, yeah. Nice. Do you want to see what I did there? Do you see it?
No, I didn't see
Watch
that.
the guy in the goal. Watch the guy in goal. Bonk. Uh-oh. It's a shitstorm. No. Ooh.
What? That?
That's pretty amazing. Here he is.
Bullshit, look. There goes the planet.
It's very nice.
It's going to be any goal we get. Still.
Boink.
Miss. you was hoping.
That's a goal! No, it's not! How disappointed. That's a cool tire.
That would be you.
Well, it can't be anyone else.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
Steam
Steam
overlay.
Yeah! Hey, look at that! Jesus Christ!
Yeah!
The girl's car.
Holy Jesus! Anyway, let's do it.
I don't know which guy is which.
You're
They're
the
all
pink
the
one.
How do I change
This
it?
yesterday.
Mine is still pink, just so you know.
That's cool. That's fine.
No, it's not.
It is.
What's that? Oh god.
They blew up our AI.
Wow. Wow, this is retarded. The controls are just freaking ridiculous.
Oh no.
Oh my god. Дрыж, только не кидай мой телефон, пожалуйста.
But still haven't got a clue what jump is.
Да не страшно, пусть всасывает. Главное, чтобы не бросала, я уже.
They just need to figure out what boost was.
Андрюшка, да, эту как ты себя щел.
Oh. Fucking hell.
I apologise. My fault. Check this out for a not epic save.
How to jump over a wall.
Oh!
Where you were in goal.
Shut up.